some of you don't know what SnapPads are. They are a hard rubber support that goes underneath and snaps to your leveling jacks. What you do is you put these on the ground on a hard surface, you drop your leveling jacks down, it snaps on, and these stay on. I wrote to the company and let them know why I needed them, and they sent me a set of 4 as long as I did a review and unboxing of them. But they're very heavy duty, hard rubber. I would say it's rubber, and lightweight. They're not very heavy. This is what they look like. This part here is where the water runs out, but that's what they look like. They're probably 1.5 inches, 2 inches thick. And we're going to go ahead and put them underneath the couch and start putting them on. Far enough?
No. A little more. Great.
You try it. Here we go. We're going to bring it down. I'm going to have her bring the leveling jacks down, and should pop right up in. Got it. Lift it. Let it back up. Keep going. Keep going. Wow. They look awesome. Oh man, they look cool. All right, hold it. I'm going to go do the other side, all right? Okay, I want to thank you for watching our video of us installing these SnapPads. It worked out great. I want to thank my nephew, Canon, for helping me out. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Also, give us a thumbs up or give us a thumbs down. But if you give us a thumbs down, let us know why. Make sure you comment, and catch you on the road.
Catch you on the road.
Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family.
Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on the road.